Hi, I'm Dr. Joan Greco coming to you from Hawaii. I'd like to first thank you for taking the time to listen to how one frustration became a moonshot and has now blossomed into a reality. Take a photo, save a life. And with your support, it can grow worldwide. It came to life when the world seemed to be shutting down due to COVID. I know you are driven and very successful. So, when the going got tough during COVID, I know you didn't curl up in a ball and wait for it to pass. No, we had to reinvent and shift what we were doing to make it work, to keep our lives moving in a forward direction. As you all know, products and services come from frustration. It's how most of us succeed. My frustration is there are many people worldwide who have skin lesions and want to be seen by a dermatologist. Sadly, access is very limited. For example, on my island of Hawaii, there are 3 dermatologists for 225,000 people. Prior to COVID, it took 6 to 9 months for a scheduled appointment. During COVID, it became even more limited. Though my office remained open, there was an inability and fear to be able to come to the office during COVID, therefore leaving many lives at risk and cause for concern. My frustration began to blossom. Initially, what if I developed something to protect a patient from exposure to other people and protect my staff from exposure to patients who may be affected by COVID? Then it expanded to, what if we had something that could be used in all countries around the world to protect them from contact? Something which gives them a more accurate diagnosis than if they were seen by their practitioners. In fact, did you know that most practitioners' accuracy rate of knowing if a spot on your skin is a cause of concern is just over 50%? My mind kept asking questions. How might we reach remote villages in third world countries that have access to cell phones but not medical treatment? How can we keep people from having to walk hours, sometimes days, to get to the nearest medical clinic, where they may or may not have someone skilled enough to tell them if the spot is a problem? What I have learned is they have cell phones in those areas with internet access or cell coverage. So, what if we can give them an answer without them leaving their villages, and an answer they can trust? Indulge me, please. I want to share a story with you from my training days. It's about a little boy named Joey. Joey's mom was a single mom, working 2 jobs to make ends meet. One night while she was bathing Joey, she noticed a new dark spot on the underside of his upper arm. She thought it looked odd and decided the doctor should take a look. She had to juggle her schedule, find coverage, make an appointment, find transportation, and when they arrived, the clinic was so busy, the practitioner hurried them through and told her nothing about it. There was nothing to worry about. A few months later, Joey died. It was melanoma. My thoughts and frustrations led me to a solution. Take a photo, save a life. What if we could develop an app where with a snap of a photo and the help of AI, we can find out in less than 5 seconds if there's cause for concern or not? So, from the pandemic grew Dermos. I did what you all would have done. Rather than sitting around waiting for COVID to pass, I took action and developed an app. I merged artificial intelligence with a small slice of medicine. Now, anyone that has an unusual spot on their skin, snap a photo and they can get a result. The AI sees nothing to worry about or there's a cause for concern in less than 5 seconds. Currently, Dermos' accuracy is 88%, soon to be 93%. According to one study, an average of dermatologists studied had an average accuracy of 87%. My desire is to get Dermos to 99%. In order to meet that goal, I need to train the AI. And how do I do that? By gathering as many photos as possible. My ask of you is to help me gather those photos. We all want to provide service that make people healthy and abundant. We all have loved ones and people we see that have spots on their skin. We need photos, we need pictures, normal spots as much as spots that look suspicious. My app, Dermos, is all about saving lives and calming the worried well. With your help, we can prevent a situation like Joey's. So right now, everyone, grab your cell phone, scan the QR code, and download Dermos. Share the app with your loved ones and your clients. Take a photo, save a life worldwide. Again, thank you for this opportunity, and thank you in advance for your help. we can all make an impact.